and Made in India are the two different concepts. Mainly the people mix both of them too. So we will be getting more into details what is Make in India and what is Made in India. So let's get started right now.
Make in India. Make in India is an initiative launched by our Prime Minister Narendra Modi in the year of 2014 to deal with the issue of the stagnating our Indian economy and boosting the economic growth of our country. When his NDA government took over the reins of the Indian Parliament, foreign investors were encouraged to utilize India's untapped manufacturing potential through FDI and make our country a credible business union.
Here are some of the benefits of Make in India. Number one, Make in India will help the GDP of Indian economy to rise high as the many foreign investors will invest in Indian market. Number two, the main Indian economy can help in conversion of it into manufacturing hub of various commercial products. Number three, Make in India helps in creating jobs as the number of population is increasing day by day. Here are some of the drawbacks of Make in India. Number one, tough competition in the market will lead to a decrease in the number of FDIs in Indian economy. Number two, as the main whole area is increasing day by day, so the shift is moving from the agricultural service sector to the manufacturing service sector. Number, unemployment can be created if the foreign investors can be backed out and take all their sales and market and go out from India.
Made in India initiative gave an identity to the products being manufactured in India. This helps domestic customers to utilize all the factors of production effectively like land, labor, capital, entrepreneurship and technology. Made in India initiative gave an identity to the products being manufactured in India. This helps domestic customers to utilize all the factors of production effectively like land, labor, capital, entrepreneurship and technology. Made in India initiative will help to generate employment for the Indian masses. This program not only attracts foreign customers but also helps to utilize our own resources. If this program is promoted efficiently, this will help the products to get recognized and also endorse themselves. This will obviously give the Indian domestic market a platform to compete with foreign products and also raise the standard of their products.
Some benefits of Made in India. The Made in India has been a prospective nature for the human in India. So in the growing population in India has been a factor in making products more heavy and more easier. So the effective utilization of the commercial products and turning into not only an agricultural sector for India but into a commercial sector of India has been the main benefits for Made in India initiative. There are some benefits of Made in India. So there are also some drawbacks of it. See, like this is a BJP ruling country and the BJP ruling nation has already made emphasis only on Make in India, not in Made in India. So the consumer based things have been fallen drastically in the main things and the foreign investors are going away from hands. So the GDP has slightly comes down in the case of Made in India. So the Make in India has a bigger advantage but also has some lower advantage. So as in Made in India also has some benefits as well as drawbacks. So let's look now as the major differences of Make in India and Made in India.
Firstly, Make in India focuses on attracting foreign investors to invest on Indian manufacturing sector.
Whereas Made in India focuses mostly on domestic factors of production, including investments for the manufacturing of domestic products.
Secondly, Make in India is not a brand, it is a strategy of Indian government to deal with the issue of sluggishness of the Indian manufacturing industry.
Made in India refers to the branding of products manufactured in India as well as giving them a recognition and branding in the domestic market as well as in the international market.
Thirdly, the profits under Make in India will also consist of share of the foreign investors.
The profits earned from the Made in India initiatives will be retained by the Indian economy.
Both the policies seem to benefit in their respective way in our country. On one hand, Make in India will boost the foreign investors in our economy.
On the other hand, Made in India will help the country being self-reliant on the manufacturing of its products. Therefore, a logical route needs to be adopted.
In this case, Make in India can be a propaganda to play a pivotal role in this section. So, this can also gain self-reliability and also improve the number of products and the quality of the products in the Indian market. So if you like our video, do please comment and subscribe our YouTube channel.